Hello friends, how are you doing? Welcome to Azar Media channel. The channel makes you a better video editor. In this video, I will cover masking, its techniques to make transitions and more in Adobe Premiere Pro. So stay with me till end of the video. Let's start it. The masking tool is one of the most essential and powerful tools in Adobe Premiere Pro. It will help you to mask something in different ways. For example, you can hide the number plate of a car, somebody's face, or make some transitions. First of all, let's find out how masking works. Let's go ahead and add our clips to the timeline. I add two clips, one on top of the other, and load my effects workspace. Select the clip you want to mask over it. Here you can find the three masking tools and the effects control panel under the opacity. Create ellipse mask, create 4-point polygon mask, and free draw bezier. If you want to create an elliptical mask, click create ellipse mask and you are done. Your elliptical mask is made and video 2 disappeared. Just a portion of it will be visible inside the mask. Outside the mask you will see video 1. This is video 1 and this is video 2, okay? In the effect control panel you will find the mask options like mask path, mask feather, mask opacity, and mask expansion. Suppose you want to invert the mask. Just checkmark the inverted checkbox. Now the mask has been inverted. You will see the video 2 outside the mask and video 1 inside of it. If you find this video helpful, please like and share the video. Write your opinion in the comments and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to receive a notification when I upload a new video. Look at the mask 1 in the effect control panel. Its first value is the mask path. It tracks automatically the motions. I will not cover it in this video. I will create another video to describe this one. Now let's cover the mask feather. If you have a closer look to the mask edges, the edges are blurry because the mask feather value is 10. If I decrease the value to 0, the edges will be sharp. Or if I increase it, the edges will be blurrier and faded. The mask opacity value is 100%. If I decrease it, the mask transparency will increase and the masked video will be transparent. If I increase the value of the mask expansion, the mask size will be increased. And also, if I decrease it, the mask size will be reduced. Also, you can animate the mask. Just click the stopwatch on left side of each video and add some keyframes. I have a video regarding keyframes in my channel. Click the link above to watch it. For example, click the stopwatch of the mask feather to start the feather animation. It automatically creates a keyframe where the playhead is placed. move the playhead forward in time and increase the mask feather value. Another keyframe will be made in the playhead position. Do this individually with mask opacity, mask expansion, and mask pad, or mix them to make a transition. Let's go ahead and create the color to black and white transition. First, delete video 2 and make sure nothing is selected in the timeline. Then, create an adjustment layer. Go to File, New, click Adjustment Layer, and drag it to the timeline on top of the video 1. Then search black and white effect and drag it to the adjustment layer. Then click to select the adjustment layer. Click the ellipse mask in the effects control panel and decrease the mask expansion value till the mask disappears. Then start the animation by clicking the stopwatch next to it to add a keyframe. Then move forward 2 seconds and increase the mask expansion value until the mask fills the entire screen. Now press the spacebar to play it. Your transition is ready. Now you made a simple transition. That's all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you in the next video.